Hello friends, today I have something good to share with you people. So if you want to hear and learn, then watch this video till the end. And I believe you will learn something. So there is a kind of a story related to this mic and related to English. Both are quite relatable, and that is why I am going to share with you people. So see, before I bought this mic, after a long time you are watching a mic in my hand, right? So yes, I bought it. So before I bought this mic, I was sitting on the fence that which one I should buy, which one I should not buy. And finally I selected this one. When I selected, then I ordered it, and it's been 2-3 days I received this mic. So the day I received it, I was so excited. I thought, okay, let me use it. And you know what? When I started using this mic, it didn't work that day. So I was completely disappointed. I thought, oh my God, it is not working, what to do? Then I tried a lot, okay? Then finally I decided, okay, I have only 2 options in my hand. One, I should learn how to fix it. Another, I should return it. Then I thought, okay, today I cannot return. So I will try to return this mic after 2-3 days. But today I have the option to learn how to fix this mic and how to use. Okay. So what I did, I tried my level best. I started watching a lot of videos. And finally I found one video, and then I did the way that person was saying to do, and it started working. I felt so much happy. Okay. So why I'm sharing this story with you? See, finally I had only 2 options in my hand. Very less options. Before I bought this mic, I had many options in my mind. I used to lay on my bed and think a lot that which one to buy. Okay, I should not buy. Okay, I should buy. I was thinking a lot. And in my mind there were many options. But when I bought it, I had very less options. And only 2 options in my hand, right? I told you. So see, when we have less options in our hand, there are chances that we will take action. Okay? So if you want to do anything in your life and you have a lot of options, sorry to say you will not reach to your goal very easily. Why? Because you have so many options in your hand. Okay? So if you have less options related to anything, there are chances you are going to take action. The way I took action, the way I gave my 100% to fix this mic. Okay? And to be honest, I am not expert in this kind of things. I don't know how to use electronic things and all, So I struggle a lot. Then anyhow I learned it, right? Because I had very few options in my hand. So in your case also, if you want to learn English language, so just try to have few options in your hand, not a lot. And how you can do it? See, if you have been just thinking, okay, I will learn it, I will practice this language, this is not right way to think about this language. Why? Because you are giving to yourself a lot of options. Okay, I'll do this way, I will join online classes, I will join offline classes, I will learn on my own, and you are not starting. So my friend, you should start. You should create environment. You should learn from my story. See, I created environment. I bought the mic, and then I had only 2 options in my hand, right? If you have been thinking, okay, I should learn English language on my own, or I should join classes, online classes or offline classes, just try sometime. Anyway, so if you don't try and you are just laying on your bed, my friend, you have a lot of options, and your mind will give a lot of excuses that, okay, you haven't joined any classes, so no worry, just chill. Just lay down on your bed. Don't think a lot. And it's not all about English language. We can apply this anywhere in our life. Okay? When we have few options, we take action. When we have multiple options in our hands, then we don't take action. So that is the story. So see, if you want to learn English language, you have to create environment. I mean, buy books, English related book, and start watching videos, start talking to people, or if you cannot talk, so at least buy books and join some classes if it's possible, and if it's not possible, then that's okay. Learn on your own, but start. Create environment. If you create environment, you will end up having very few options in your hand. But if you don't create, then your mind will think, okay, you are poor, you don't have money, you cannot join offline or online classes, so it's okay. The person who doesn't have money, they cannot learn English language. It will create a lot of stories. Okay, so you have to challenge yourself, you have to challenge your mind first of all. And how you can challenge your mind? By giving less options to it. If you provide a lot of options, it is not going to help you. It will make multiple of excuses. Okay, so see, it's morning time. I'm recording my video, and you know what, it seems that fire is falling because it's scorchous hot weather, and it should be like that. Why? Because we are going to harvest wheat crop. It needs dry and scorchous hot weather, so it is good for our crop and all. But if I go, this place, it seems that my skin will burn, and that is why I'm here, okay, under this bamboo trees. So yeah, okay, so did you learn anything from my video? I hope you must have learnt that give less options to yourself. If you give a lot of options, then my friend, you will end up reaching nowhere. I mean, there is one example. Let's suppose you have to go from your home to one place, but you are confused. You are giving so many options. Okay, I should go that place, I should go this place, I should go that place. You haven't decided one right place. You haven't decided one particular place, and that is why it will take a lot of time, and you may not reach anywhere. Okay, so if you want to reach to your goal, if you want to achieve something, so take action, and it will be possible if you have less options in your hand. It's not the fake story, it's the real story. And that is why I couldn't make video the day before yesterday. Mic was the reason, okay, because I was thinking I will use this mic and then make my video. And I hope this mic is bringing little quality in my video. Are you people able to hear my voice clearly? If the answer is yes, then I'm happy that okay, whatever money I paid for this mic, it is worth it, because for this just I have bought, right? So this is what. And yeah, you can achieve anything if you are taking action. I mean, if you have few options in your hand, so don't give a lot of options to your mind and to yourself. Otherwise, our mind is very expert. It will create a lot of excuses. But our mind is expert in positive way also. If you create environment, it will try to win anyhow. I mean, if you create English speaking environment, I mean, you have bought book, you are listening, you are reading, you are trying to talk to people. So the same mind will help you to win in this game. I mean, it will help you to speak this language fluently and effortlessly. But if you are not creating environment and you are just laying and thinking only, then the same mind will work negative way. I mean, it will say, okay, you cannot do, yeah, you are so good, but environment is not good, okay? You are so good, but you don't have books, you don't have money to buy books, you don't have money to join classes, you don't have mobile phone, good mobile phone, many excuses. same mind, but it works two ways. Okay, so the option is in our hand that how we are gonna use our mind. Otherwise, my friend, our mind will use us. Okay, I mean, it will pamper us. Okay, you are so cute, you are not supposed to do hard work, so many things. Okay, so this is how our mind works, and we just have to control it. Okay, the way we want, we just have to use our mind as a tool. So this is what I have learnt from my story, and from others life experience also. So this is what I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.